Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a blog on Substack. Create your Substack account and choose a memorable URL, then verify your email and connect any social profiles. Pick a clear niche and write a short welcome post explaining what readers will get and how often you will publish. Set basic preferences like post format, subscriber comments, and whether to enable paid subscriptions to start building an audience. Start each post with a hook and then deliver value quickly so readers stay. Use headings, short paragraphs, and relevant images to improve readability and engagement. Include a clear call to action at the end, such as asking readers to subscribe or share, and consider linking to past posts for deeper context. Aim for consistency by batching posts and scheduling them in advance to reduce stress and keep your audience growing steadily. Promote each post across your social channels and in communities where your target audience hangs out. Offer a free sample series or downloadable guide to encourage signups, and experiment with subject lines to boost open rates. Reply to reader comments and emails to build relationships and loyalty, and run occasional promotions or guest posts to reach new audiences. Track subscriber growth and adapt your strategy based on what resonates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.